Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make After Effect like color grading in CapCut or CapCut CC tutorial like After Effects. So you can just add your clips, and then first you can go to adjust and you can follow my settings here. So for the brightness and contrast, increase it to 16. And then the saturation -13, the brilliance -9, and adjust the sharpen to 100, and the highlight set it around 16, and shadow -3. And in here you can click on the temperature and lower it to -8, and the hue increase it to 11. Now click on a check icon and add video effects now. So there are some video effects that you can add. The first one is the horizontal flash. So click on the video effects and just find horizontal flash. Just type in the keyword in here in the search bar and see if it's show up. Okay, let's just click on this flash and adjust it like this. Okay, after you add the flash effect, next you can just click on effects again and add the HDR video effects. This one, and adjust the size to 24, the amount to 44, and intensity 86, and then the filter 55, the glow 65, and the range 75. After that, you can click on a check icon and add the next effects in here. The next effects is the black flash. So let's go to the video effect again and find a black flash. This one, click on adjust the speed into 5 only. Okay, let's go back, click on the check icon, and in here now you can add the retro, the 1998 effects. This one, and adjust the filter to 0 and texture 15. Then the last one is the angel effects. Let's find angel, video effects, find angel. This one, adjust the intensity to only 5. Okay, now you are done. Click on the check icon and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.